going to be picking up with one of the most amazing tools that a singer could use, and that is your straw. Now notice I have the glass that is a third full. It's a nice narrow glass so that when I'm bubbling, I can use one hand to cup over the glass so that the bubbles don't spill, and the other hand on my orange belly ball. Why do I want it to be on my orange belly ball? Because just to start with, I want to make sure I'm really doing these straw bubbles right and connecting. So I'm going to show you. Now hopefully you've already watched the first video, which includes me standing with the straw and just making sure that you're sealing your lips around the straw and that your chin stays parallel so you're not crouching down or you're not leaning forward, which sometimes can be hard for people. So make sure that you've got those lips sealed around your straw, and just practice again breathing and then exhaling without any tightness up here. You can do the thumb to under chin, breathing in, making sure that your under your chin doesn't pop out. If you're wired a little tight or you're stressed out, it might just pop out. And so this is where you learning how to just relax into your power, which is down here. It's not up here. This here is being served by your orange belly ball, okay? So you want to make sure you're doing a few things really well. You want to make sure you've got that orange belly ball in ready to go mode. You want to make sure your throat is nice and relaxed, and you want to make sure that you're tapping into these pockets in your face. And this is what the straw will help you to discover. Now, straw bubbles are a great tool because they can help us in a number of ways. Number one, if you need vocal therapy, right? If you've maybe got nodes or a polyp, God forbid, but don't worry, you can heal that. You can heal that with proper rest and proper understanding of how to use your instrument. The second awesome way that the straw works is to help you connect to the lower part of your body and make sure that you're breathing properly as you sing. And then lastly, it helps build vocal resonance, which is what we're primarily going to be focusing on here. I might add little side notes in here and there because I really want to be able to help a lot of people, but for this particular video, we're just going to be focusing on some of the exercises that you can do to build a more powerful voice and make sure that when you're singing or even speaking, so if you're a speaker, this is great too, that you're going to be phonating from the correct parts of you. So I'm going to seal my lips around the straw, breathing in through my nose, relaxing my throat, accessing my orange belly ball, and exhaling. Breathing in. Now blow into the straw. And notice I got some pretty big bubbles blowing. That's good. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm gonna show you this. I put my hand around, sealing so that if the bubbles blow over, I'm not gonna blow everywhere. Other hand, thumb, belly button, hand below. That's my orange belly ball. You can put it in between the orange one and the yellow one if you want, but just have it down here. I breathe in through my nose. And it's that simple. I didn't try to extend this for long periods of time. We're not doing that yet. We're just getting you connected. So do that a few times on any comfortable note in your chest register. How can you tell if the bubbles are helping your voice? Well, one way to be able to tell is to say something or sing something before you do them, then do the bubbles for a period of time, and then say or sing that same thing again. For the sake of this exercise, I am going to just say the months of the year. I want you to notice how my voice sounds, and then I'm going to bubble for 2 minutes, and then I'm going to do it again after, and see if you can hear the difference. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, now I'm gonna bubble. I've got my handy timer here, and I hope you have yours. Yes, I know I could have used my cell phone, but no, I'm gonna use my timer. Why? Because this is my time and my cell phone is distracting me. So I'm gonna set it for 2 minutes, and I'm just going to bubble and I'm going to slide, and you can do this with me. I'm just going to be bubbling on one note. We're going to start on A, and if you're male, you can go down the octave. I'm just going to go. And then breathe. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, here we go. Setting the timer for 2 minutes. Okay, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Can you hear that difference in my voice? I can feel it. Woo, it feels great. Okay, so hopefully your voice feels more relaxed and you can feel that those resonating cavities in your mouth, and feel more relaxation in your throat, and feel more support coming from that diaphragm, or like I like to call it, your orange belly ball. That was fun.